Are you wanting to make extra money without having to spend money to start? You need to watch this if you struggle with finding side hustles that require zero investment. Alright, first up, we're talking about freelance writing. Now, before you click away thinking, I failed English class, hear me out. Freelance writing isn't just about crafting the next great American novel. Businesses everywhere need help with everything from website copy and blog posts to product descriptions and social media captions. And the best part? You can find gigs on platforms like Fiverr. This platform is a goldmine for beginner freelancers. You create a profile, highlight your skills, and start pitching clients. It's like online dating, but instead of finding love, you're finding dollar bills. No experience, no problem. There are tons of free resources online to help you improve your writing. Plus, you can start with smaller, lower-paying gigs to build your portfolio and confidence. Trust me, once you get a few clients under your belt and start seeing those sweet, sweet deposits, you'll be hooked. You'll be churning out words faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush. Next up, we're stepping into the world of virtual assistants. As a virtual assistant, you're basically the superhero sidekick to busy entrepreneurs, helping them conquer their to-do lists and keep their businesses running smoothly. We're talking about tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling social media, and even booking travel arrangements. It's like being a digital Mary Poppins, except instead of cleaning up toys, you're cleaning up inboxes. And the best part is you can find VA gigs on platforms like Upwork. Upwork is a freelancer's paradise, with thousands of potential clients looking for skilled VAs like you. Don't worry if you don't have any prior experience. Many clients are simply looking for someone organized, reliable, and with good communication skills. So if you can manage your own life somewhat, you can definitely manage someone else's business. Next, you can design your way to riches through print on demand. All right, listen up, you creative geniuses. Have you ever dreamed of seeing your designs on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more? Well, with print on demand, that dream can become a reality, and you don't even need a warehouse full of merchandise. Here's how it works. You create awesome designs using free online tools like Canva, then upload them to print-on-demand platforms like Etsy. Etsy is like the world's biggest craft fair, with millions of eager shoppers looking for unique and personalized products. When someone orders a product with your design, the print-on-demand company handles everything from printing to shipping, so you can sit back, relax, and watch the cash roll in. The key here is to find your niche. What are you passionate about? What kind of designs do you think people would actually buy? Once you figure that out, the sky's the limit. You could be the next big thing in quirky cat t-shirts or inspirational coffee mugs. Next hustle is task services. All right, let's talk about those of you who love to stay active and get things done. If you're someone who thrives on checking things off your to-do list, then task services might be your golden ticket to side hustle success. Platforms like TaskRabbit, that's TaskRabbit, connect you with people in your area who need help with all sorts of tasks. We're talking about everything from assembling furniture and picking up groceries to waiting in line and helping with moving. It's like being a real-life superhero, swooping in to save the day and make people's lives easier. Plus, you get paid for it. Who wouldn't want to get paid to be a helpful human? The beauty of task services is that you can set your own hours and choose the tasks you want to do. So if you're not afraid of a little hard work and enjoy the satisfaction of a job well done, then sign up for TaskRabbit and start raking in those task-tastic rewards. Final hustle: lights, camera, content creation. Last but not least, we're talking about the side hustle that's taking the world by storm: content creation. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm no influencer. But hold on a second, my friend. Content creation isn't just about dancing on TikTok or becoming the next YouTube sensation. It's about sharing your passions, knowledge, and unique perspective with the world. Whether you're a whiz in the kitchen, a makeup guru, a gaming expert, or just someone who loves to make people laugh, there's an audience out there waiting to connect with you. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok offer endless opportunities to build a following and monetize your content through ads, sponsorships, and even selling your own products or services. The key is to be yourself. Create high-quality content that provides value to your audience, and be consistent. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful content creation career. but with hard work, dedication, and a sprinkle of charisma, you can turn your passion into a profitable side hustle. So there you have it, hustlers, 5 incredible side hustles you can start today with zero investment. Remember that bonus side hustle I mentioned? Well, it involves getting paid to chat online. That's right, you can turn your love of conversation into cold, hard cash. To find out more about this easy and fun side hustle, head over to the link in my channel description. It's got all the details you need to get started. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my future money-making videos. Speaking of which, next week we're diving into the exciting world of eBay flipping. I'm going to show you how to turn your trash into treasure and make up to $1,000 a month flipping items online. So clear your schedules, grab your thrifting shoes, and get ready to flip your way to financial freedom. Until next time, keep hustling.